Designing with Bootstrap-Vue directives, Section 3. In this section, we will start with Bootstrap-Vue popovers. We will also learn how we can use scroll spy to spy on container elements. In this section, we will also learn how we can create custom tooltips in Bootstrap-Vue. By the end of this section, we will learn how to render router links and understand the spacing classes. And finally, we will learn some third-party form validations and how can we use them with Bootstrap-Vue. Bootstrap-Vue popovers using Bootstrap-V4 CSS for styling and animations. In this video, we will utilize the popovers with Bootstrap-V4. Let's start by creating a new component. I will utilize the template we created in Home and get rid of the body. We will use v-b-popover directive on any element or component where we would like a popover to appear. For example, let's have it on a button. Let's go to our browser and see how it looks. As you can see, we have a button that states hover me, and when hovering the mouse over it, it shows a popover with a title and a content. Remember, zero-length title and content values will never show a popover. 12 options are available for positioning the popover. Those are top, top left, top right, right, right top, right bottom, bottom, bottom left, bottom right, left, left top, and left bottom. Let's copy an example from the documentation. So by providing .top, .right, .left, and .bottom, we can position the popover relative to the button. Popovers can be triggered via any combination of click, hover, and focus. The default trigger is click. If a popover has more than one trigger, then all the triggers must be cleared before the popover will close. As we can see from this example, where we can also provide hover and focus, but to remove the popover, both of the trigger must be cleared. There are several options for provisioning the title and content of a popover. By default, popover will use the title attribute of the element as the popover heading. And then the content is passed as a string to the v-b-popover directive. The title and the content can also be passed as an object